Hey everybody, Larry Janeski here with your Raindrop Minute. On YouTube, there are 2 videos that you can use as resources when you're selling RainDrop Gutter Guard and when you're teaching your crew how to install it. There's the RainDrop Gutter Guard official video. That's the name of it. It's 1 minute and 57 seconds and it's on YouTube. So when you want to show a homeowner the gutter guard that you're installing, you can play that video off of YouTube, or you can email someone a link to it, or ask them to play it and check it out, and that's the gutter guard that you're installing. So that's your sales video. Then, to teach your guys how to install it, and it's super simple, right? But there are a few things that they're gonna wanna know. How to do inside corners and outside corners, and maybe some end caps, and we want you to know how to fasten it. You don't need to put a screw in every screw hole, and you don't need to crank those screws down because there's some expansion and contraction involved. So your guys, or yourself, whoever's installing it, should watch the RainDrop Gutter Guard installation video, and it's 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Once you know how to install it, you'll never have to watch that again. But it's there for you to use on YouTube, the RainDrop installation video. That's your RainDrop Minute. See you soon.